In this lecture, we will quickly discuss about the basic features of INFOGA Tool. INFOGA is an open source tool used for collecting information about a target by scraping the internet. It can gather information such as email addresses, phone numbers, and social media profiles from public sources. It can also check email addresses for data breaches. INFOGA helps in collecting all the publicly available information about a target, which can be useful for security professional, investigator, researcher, or for hacker as well. So again, let us try to identify the tool from the description. Tool is used to collect the information such as sender's identities, mail servers, sender IP address, and sender's location from different public sources. Tool also checks email addresses for leaks. As we discussed, these are the features of INFOGA tool. It is an open source tool. It can gather information which is available from public sources. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CH course, please do check the link available at the description.